Hi friends, and welcome to another Phonics Fun video. Today we're going to learn about contractions. So first we have our goals. So our goals today are you're going to learn what contractions are, and then you're going to learn how to use them with the word not. Okay, before we get into the different types of contractions, let's just first talk about what they are. So contract, which is a little word in contractions. Contract means to make something smaller. So contractions is just when we have two words and we make them smaller. So two words, we usually make it into just one word. So can and not, we shrink those two, we can turn it into can't. Now this little dash that's here is called an apostrophe. That takes the place of a letter in one of the words. So in this case, it's replacing the O. So can't, can, not. Okay, so the types of contractions, or some of them are not. They might have am or are. They might have the word have as their second word, or is. The contraction we're going to practice today is with the word not. So are and not. I want you to watch what happens here. So I want to contract or shrink these two words into one. Watch what happens. So are not becomes aren't. We aren't going there. And we have are. Notice where that is in your contraction. So are is still there, but not, we just got rid of a letter and shrunk the two words by smushing them together. And again, that letter O is replaced by that apostrophe or that little dash that's there. Is not, watch what happens. We're going to contract them. So it becomes isn't. Is not. So again, that O is being replaced by that dash or apostrophe. And look at this one. Does not becomes doesn't. Does not, doesn't. So again, that first word stays there, but that second word, that's a word that we are contracting or shrinking. So we're getting rid of a letter and replacing it with this little fancy line that's here. All right, loves, it's your turn to try shrinking some words. Okay, first word did, second word not. What do you think the contraction would be? And time. So did not becomes didn't. So again, that O is being replaced by the dash. Did not. Didn't. All right, loves, try this one. Were not. And time. Were not becomes weren't. And here we have the two words split up. So again, that first word is often going to stay the same. That second word, that's the one we're shrinking. So not becomes nt. Weren't. No, it looks a little funny with those two consonants right next to each other. Here, let's try another. Could not. And time. All right, let's see how you did. So could not becomes couldn't. Couldn't. Again, not becomes NT. All right, loves. So that's the practice that we have for today. So I'm pretty sure that you did an amazing job working with these contractions. And if you still feeling a little rusty, that's a-okay. We're going to practice this all this week. So checking off practice with me. Don't forget, if you have any packet work to finish up, please make sure you're doing that today, showing scholarship at home. And last but not least, don't forget to play on Epic and Zern. With that being said, thank you so much for practicing with me today, and come back for another Phonics Fun video.